and on Wednesday, when you can take your dog. Let's get the latest on the Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Violet Schuyler.
I think it would look a little prettier if there was some snow on the ground,
Adding maybe some light snow.
Yeah, the festive feel. And honestly, there may be some flakes flying over lights on the lake this evening as we're tracking some light lake effect snow that will be continuing overnight. We do have a minor winter weather advisory for this, but really not expecting any travel issues as temperatures will pretty much should be at or above freezing all night long. This advisory is in effect now until 10 a.m. tomorrow for Wayne, Cayuga, Onondaga, Madison, Cortland, and Chenango counties. Although it's going to be a very narrow band through these counties. Right now, the snow is light. A live look from our triple Doppler radar sponsored by Falsa Service experts. We're tracking two lake effect snow bands. One that's up to the north for Hastings, Richland, Osceola, and Camden. In general, light, but notice there are some moderate pockets, and a second band to the south over Baldwinsville, Liverpool, Syracuse, Manlius, Chenango, and Cazenovia. This is also light, at least for the moment, but as the winds pick up, this is going to strengthen. So this is the one band that we're keeping an eye on as we head into tonight. Over the next few hours, it will be strengthening up a bit, wobbling from Oswego, Fulton, and Syracuse down to Auburn, Tully, and stretching through Cazenovia and Hamilton, continuing through the overnight and into sunrise tomorrow. Notice, though, temperatures barely budge, staying in the lower 30s all night, so a lot of melting will happen even though the snow will be falling. The snow does continue through the morning, but lightens up, becoming flurries by midday and tapering off by the afternoon, moving up to the north because we get that west wind developing, and we'll get more breaks of sun for the second half of the day. Staying rather chilly, though, with a high of only 40 tomorrow. In terms of snowfall amounts from now until 10 a.m. tomorrow, just about an inch or two for most places, which really is not a lot, stretching from Syracuse up to Redfield, out towards Gayton and Cato. But along the shoreline of Lake Ontario, most of this will completely melt on the ground. The best chance of getting more than 2 inches will be to the south by Lafayette, Tully, Fabius, and stretching out towards Morrisville, Smithfield, and Cazenovia. But again, a lot of this is probably going to melt as we go through the day tomorrow as temperatures rise up to about 40 degrees. But is this normal for this time of year? Today, we only got up to a high of 39, and this cold air is really settling in for a while. We'll only be in the low, maybe mid 40s for tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, upper 40s on Friday, which is actually closer to normal for this time of year. And then we cool back down on Saturday. But does this cold air stick around as we look ahead to next week for Thanksgiving? The 6 to 10 day temperature outlook forecasting above normal temperatures for most of central New York. Lesser chance, near normal for eastern areas. And again, normal is upper 40s, so anything warmer than the upper 40s is considered above normal. Plus days 8 through 14 looking out towards Black Friday and beyond, still forecasting above normal temperatures. So there's a good chance we may have a mild Thanksgiving in store. To sum up your forecast, tomorrow lake effect snow gradually tapering, more breaks of sun in the afternoon, lower 40s. Partly sunny Wednesday, Thursday, cloudy on Friday with a few light scattered rain showers. A couple of early flurries Saturday, then a dry weekend, hang out in the 40s, but 50s to start next week. Michael.
Thank you, Violet. A new